The image shows a young girl sitting at a desk. She is talking on the phone with one hand and writing in a notebook with the other. The table has a laptop, a cup of coffee, sticky notes, and a desk lamp. These items are neatly arranged, giving a busy but organized feel. The room is cozy, with bookshelves in the background and a soft rug on the floor. The light from the desk lamp is warm, creating a comfortable atmosphere. The girl looks calm and focused, managing her tasks smoothly. The overall mood is peaceful but productive.
The image shows a worker in an industrial factory. He is wearing safety gear like a hard hat, gloves, and protective glasses. He operates a large machine with buttons and levers. Around him there are heavy machines, conveyor belts, and tools. In the background, sparks fly from someone welding. The factory has tall ceilings with bright lights, and large metal pipes run along the walls. The scene feels busy and intense, showing hard work in action. The worker looks focused, surrounded by a gritty and tough industrial setting. The image shows a young child standing in a wide, open field. The child is looking up at an airplane flying high in the sky. The child's face shows wonder and curiosity. The airplane is leaving a white trail behind it. The sky is clear and blue with a few soft clouds. A gentle breeze seems to be blowing. The field is green and stretches far into the background. The whole scene feels calm and peaceful, with the child focused on the plane. It's a quiet moment of awe and discovery.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.